Okay, so those are the baby hairs I'm going for this style. Now I'm just gonna be taking a headband wig fresh out this little hairnet. Okay, so this is the hair fresh out. Plastic band, 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back. All right, so simple, just gonna pop it on. Flip. Find the middle one, find the side one, and the other side one. Okay, from there I take my 2 strappies and I make sure I velcro that in place. Simple, right? I flip back the headband. So this is how it looks fresh out the bag, okay? No product, this is the hair. You know, if you want to wear it like this, you do you, boo. You do you, boo. I'm here to show you guys different ways that you can wear the curls. So first, I'm going to show you guys how the hair looks brushed out. Sorry, I've been watching Manifest on Netflix, and I feel like I've watched it before. Like, I saw it when it first came out. But anyway, so this is the hair all fluffed out. No product is in it. Nothing has been done to it, but taken out of the box, out of the baggie, out of the mesh, and onto my head, brushed out. So this is how it looks. It's very soft. It can actually probably get bigger than this, but this is literally just what I'm gonna do to it for now, just to show the fluff state. So this is how we're looking. All right, so next I'm going to show you guys how it looks wet. I do have a spray bottle filled with water, and I'm going to wet one side to show you guys the difference from dry and fluff to wet and curly. So let me just do that. So this is the hair wet. This is how it's looking. You guys have seen it in its dry state, you've seen it in its wet state, and they literally turn into like spiral ringlets when you brush them when they're wet. So like, for example, you guys see how they just kind of spiral up. That's really cute if you guys want to kind of like section them off and let them do their own thing. That's what it looks like. So thank you so much to Love Me Hair. This is their deep wave headband wig. All the information on this hair will be in the description box, so if you want to check it out, please feel free to check that down below. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and leave any comments. Do you guys own a headband wig? If not, what are you waiting on? Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me, because then what? We gonna be popping. All right, yes we are. I'm gonna let my hair dry for some outro pics, and until next time, bye guys.